So, since I remember since my childhood, my mother would never let us sleep in the evening time, especially when it was time to light the lamps, and that's around 6 at sundown, at whatever time that happens. And even if you're ill, I remember her telling us to just sit up for a little while until the lamp is lit, and during that period, and then you can lie down back. While I didn't think too much of the meaning of this, I'd like to ask you now. So, why is it that most families, Indian families, we say we should not lie down during sundown or during when we are lighting the lamp in the evening?
Yeah, the human body and the human physiological function
Uh-huh.
is directly related to the nature.
Right.
How I will tell you. When the sunrise to sunrise is a day's time. The modern science calculated as 12 midnight to 12 midnight. In our traditional science, a day is from sunrise to sunrise, the next day. So
Sunrise to
this sunrise to the
sunrise.
next
Sunrise to
sunrise is
sunrise.
one full day. So the human physiology is directly connected to the god of sun god.
Right.
When the sun rises in the morning, when the sunrise is at 6 o'clock in the morning, or whatever it happens between 5:30 to 6:30, then what happens, the physiology is directly connected to that, because once the sunrise is on, your endocrinology will start targeting, producing targeted enzyme productions and all that. Directly related. During the sunset, after the sunset or whatever, everything slows down,
True.
because there is a change in the geomagnetic field, which is directly controlling you.
Okay.
The geomagnetic field between sunrise to sunset is different from sunset to sunrise, which has direct impact over your physiological function.
True. Yeah.
Modern science doesn't understand this as yet. They will be doing a lot of research on this later. The ancients have understood this. You know that when you sleep, hardly 50 to 60% of our cardiovascular system, our temperature will also be low.
Right.
Our breathing will be on the lower side, our heartbeat will be on the lower side, our blood pressure will be on the lower side, because we don't need it. Because we are lying down, constantly lying down for 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, whatever. There is no function is happening there. The digestive tract will go on if the food is there. That is controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system. Okay. So now what happens after the sunset? The food and nutrition also plays a lot of role. Those days the people used to eat before the sunset, and after the sunset they don't eat, or they eat very early by 7 o'clock,
True. Yeah.
and then they all go off to sleep by 8:39, because they rise in the morning very early by 3:30. That was the system those days. Nowadays it is not. Nowadays people go to sleep at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
So why you are not supposed to sleep in the evening when the lamps are lit at home is basically that leads to lot of imbalance in the body at the sunset. If you want to go to sleep, you can sleep a little in the afternoon between 2 and 4, definitely not from 4 to 8.
Okay.
Evening time, when the sunset is on, the body is readjusting itself to different levels with your physiological function. At that time you are not supposed to sleep.
Yeah.
See, getting up early in the morning by 5 o'clock or 4:30, whatever, when it is dark, plays a lot of role to your visual system. Do you know that? Have you heard about it? Have you ever
No,
heard
I
about
have
it?
not heard about it.
Okay. I'll tell you what it is. Say you get up every day at, say today you got up at 5 o'clock in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning it's going to be dark.
Yeah.
So your visual system, last time when you went to sleep, it was dark. or you are help yourself with whatever little lamp or light or whatever. Now you are getting up, it is dark. Now slowly at 5:45, 5:50, the sunlight starts coming in slowly.
Yeah.
Little by little, little by little. By 6:30, 6:45, it will be bright. So that 1 hour of period of 60 minutes or 70 minutes of that intensity of the light which starts from slow to the bright, your visual system start adjusting itself on its own. It is not exposing itself to the bright light as you get up at 8 o'clock in the morning, which is going to impact your retina and your semiconductors and all that in the brain in a big way. Even human beings had night vision like tigers and cats. Those days when we were not used to the electrical lights, we were used to only seeing small lamps burning.
Yeah.
The house is lit with small lamps here and there, which will burn, right? So we used to always get up early in the morning at 3:30, 4. We never exposed ourselves to sunlight directly. We slowly adjust our visual system to the sunlight as it keeps rising, which do not impact your eyes at all, the visual system by any means. So why you should not sleep in the evening? It has got a lot of science, lot of human science, medical science in it, because your geomagnetic field is going to completely vary after the sunset. The body will be readjusting itself to that levels. At that time you are not supposed to sleep. You can sleep after 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. Not between 4:30 to 7:30.
Okay.
This is the most important stuff one should know.
Okay.
That is why they always say it is not good for the house when you sleep in the evening.
Right. They say it's not good for the house.
Not good for the house, yeah.
I remember my mother saying this.
Yes,
Thank you so
yes.
much. So that was, it's a long-standing question that I got an answer to today. Thank you.